Right, so interesting. So the STORY,
Yes.
tell me a little bit more about that.
The S stands for simple, the T stands for tangible, the O stands for out of the box, the R stands for reliable, and the Y stands for yearning for more. So what that means is it's a framework that will help you build a story. Now, let me explain to people what story means. Story is not once upon a time in a far, far, far away land, there's a prince and a princess. No, that's a kiddie story.
Still a story, though.
It's a story, and but this framework is for serious business people that want to grow. So what that means is I'm basically teaching people how to sell their story. So if you look at, let's use an example of, let me think, we can break it down. Okay, let me first share the example of the difference between selling with a story and a sales pitch.
Yeah, okay.
So let's get the definition. I was chatting to one of my LinkedIn connections, Paul, a few months ago, and he shared this on his podcast, and he just nailed it perfectly. And there's a place by the Bahamas called the Pig Island. Now, just picture this. He was looking for a picture frame for his son and to put it in his bedroom. And so they went to this expo, and they went through different booths, and then he sees this picture of a pig in the middle of the sea. Now, that caught his attention. Like,
Swimming?
what is,
Drowning?
no,
on a boat?
he's halfway, like halfway.
Oh.
He was like, you can see the...
Oh, he was standing on...
Yeah,
okay.
so if you guys are online right now, Google Pig Island, Bahamas. You'll see all the photos come out. And I see our masterful tech guy just gave me the look like pig in the sea. Yes, he's not supposed to be there. And it caught the guy's attention. And so Paul says to the guy, tell me about this. So he says... So the story goes, years ago, there was a merchant. He got, I still haven't Googled, you call them a group of pigs or herd of pigs. Anyway, a bunch of them, he got them and he put them on this island because he wanted to come back and make bacon out of them.
Of course.
And
he was not Jewish.
And then the piggers got hungry, but there was nothing to eat on the island except for catkiss. So the little piggers were starving. And then there was a nearby restaurant. They start dumping their leftover food into the sea. And the piggies got very hungry, and it took one brave little pig to go into the sea, and the rest of the pigs followed. To this day, that when the pigs see boats coming, they will come to you because they know they're going to get fed. And when Paul heard that story, he was ready to swipe his card because that's very compelling. He just sold him this beautiful idea. So that's selling with a story. A sales pitch is, Yandre, you know what? You should buy this painting for 3 simple reasons. Reason number 1, it fits your budget. Reason number 2, the frame goes with your room. And reason number 3, it goes with everything. That's a sales pitch. That's product based. So that's the main difference. So the story principle is such. S stands for simple, meaning that what is the one thing you want people to remember? The T stands for tangible, meaning you don't use abstract words. So in the first case, I painted you a picture. I told you about the pig swimming in the sea.
Yeah.
So you're imagining it. And the O stands for out of the box, meaning how do we add element of surprise? So when you were listening to that story, you had no idea where I was going, but I got your attention.
Yeah, because it was a pig in the sea.
Pig in the sea, exactly. And the R stands for reliable, meaning that how can I trust you and believe what you say is true?
Yeah.
And, well, go Google the photos to see I'm not making it up.
Yeah.
And the Y stands for yearning for more, creating emotion. So basically, that's the framework. So when I'm doing the workshop with people, I teach people how to use this framework to build a effective story, because there's a lot of, storytelling is nothing new. That's our story. That's how we transfer information. It's been around since campfire days. But somewhere down the line in schooling, we lost that creativity. We get taught there's only one right answer, black or white, and that's it, pass or fail. So we lose that. And we're all storytellers. If you speak, you got a little boy, ask your little boy to make up a story. I can tell you right now, he would make up the craziest thing. Yeah. Because in his mind, anything is possible. But somewhere down the line, we lost that. And I wanted to bring it back.